Emergency chocolate fix cookies, a funny name for chocolate cookies that are perfect for satisfying those urgent chocolate cravings. Emergency chocolate fix cookies, recipe. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2. 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 3. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 4. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 5. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 6. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 7. 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed. 8. 1 large egg. 9. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 10. 1 cup chocolate chips. 11. 1/2 cup chopped nuts, optional, for extra crunch. Instructions. Preheat the emergency oven. 1. Preheat your actual oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Dry ingredients. 1. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. 1. Set aside. Prepare the cookie dough. 1. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add egg and vanilla. 1. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until well combined. Combine wet and dry ingredients. 1. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Fold in chocolate chips and nuts. 1. Gently fold in the chocolate chips and chopped nuts, if using. 1. This is the emergency chocolate coming to the rescue. Drop cookie dough. 1. Drop spoonfuls of the cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving space between each cookie. Bake in the emergency oven. 1. Bake in the preheated oven for 10-12 minutes or until the edges are set. 1. The smell of chocolate will start to fill the emergency kitchen. Remove and cool. 1. Allow the emergency chocolate fix cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Emergency response. 1. In case of an urgent chocolate fix need, devour a cookie or two immediately. 1. Repeat as necessary until the chocolate emergency is under control. These emergency chocolate fix cookies are the perfect remedy for sudden chocolate cravings. Keep the ingredients on hand for quick baking, and you'll always be prepared for a delicious emergency response.